bitch's attention grows. She crouches low with a hunter's grace. That spring's wound tight, it's a high-speed chase. It's a spring-load rodeo, claws in the air, tail like a lasso, wildcat flair. One jump, two spin, chasing dreams untamed. She's a rodeo queen and the hallway's her stage. That bird keeps bouncing, tempting her fate. She leaps so high, oh, she looks great. A mid-air twist and a fearless grin. She rides that spring like she's born to win. It's a spring-load rodeo, claws in the air, tail like a lasso, wildcat flair. One jump, two spins, chasing dreams untamed. She's a rodeo queen and the hallway's her stage. That cord snaps back with a whip crack sound. She lands like thunder, shakes the ground. Tail held high, she wants one more. In the rodeo life, there's always an encore. It's a spring-load rodeo, claws in the air, spinning through starlight without a care. Backflip, bounce, no fence can contain. She's the spring-load queen of the wild.